Hey guys, Andrew Darlington with Veritas Risk Management here again today talking about the WOTC credit. So today we're going to talk about what money is available because there's a lot of money available to employers that can take advantage of that WOTC credit. I think the last number I heard is over $1 billion or something that was given out in WOTC credit. I've got that somewhere else so I can show that to you, but for today I'm going to show you what that is. So here, let me share my screen here. This is a new toy I've got, so let's see what we've got here. I've got this button here. There we go. Okay, so this should be showing up on my screen here in just 1 second. Sweet. Okay, so how the WOTC credit works. The WOTC credit you get, you have a targeted group of individuals that you're going to be hired. It's based on the wages paid to that new hire and then the amount of hours worked. Okay, so the maximum credits you get are after they've worked 400 hours. So basically 10 weeks at full time, you get max credit. Up to that point in time, you only get a portion of it. So if we scroll down here and we look here, we've got if they work at least 120 hours, so 3 weeks, you get them for 3 weeks, you can start to get the credit. You get 25% of their first year wages of up to, for different ones, most of them about $6,000 the first year wages. And then after they worked at least 400 hours, then you get 40% of that. So once they've worked 10 weeks for you, then you get 40% of the wages you paid. 40% of the wages you pay, that's a lot of money. So even if these folks don't work out, you're still getting tax credits to hire them, because that's what this is about. It's about making sure that you hire folks that are historically the most needy. Okay, so here's what we've got here. Okay, so number one, you have the veteran target group, and then you have all the other target groups. The cool thing about the veteran target groups is they stack up. Okay, so if you've got a veteran, okay, and they're receiving food stamp benefits, you can get up to $2,400 in first year benefits if they work at least 400 hours. If they work between 120 and 400, you can get $1,500 in tax credits. Okay, if they have been hired 1 year after leaving service, you can get up to $4,800 in credit. If they've been unemployed for the last 6 months, for at least 6 months in the last year, is the definition there, up to $9,600. Okay, these are worth people going after. They served our country. Let's try to get those folks employed. And through WOTC, you can get up to 40% of their first year wages back to you in tax credits. That's amazing. Okay, if they're unemployed for at least 4 weeks, up to $2,400 there, and then at least 6 months, $5,600. So these things can add up a lot. If you're targeting veterans, the Tennessee wants to help you. The folks here in Johnson City, Kingsport, Greenville, Irwin, basically you're in a Mountain City area, they want to help you. They've got folks that they've got folks that want jobs that are veterans, and they'll connect you. All you need to do is sign up, and they'll start helping connect you to these folks, because they want to see these veterans get employed. You want to see these veterans get employed, and it's a tax benefit for you. Okay, so if they're not veterans, there's still other things. So you have the short-term TANFA recipient. That's TANF recipient, sorry. Those are folks that are getting some type of subsidy for short-term. And then you have long-term. Look at this. You can get up to $9,000 over 2 years for folks that are long-term subsidy recipients. That's huge. Okay, food stamps up to $2,400. You'll see the rest of them are pretty much the same. Designated community residents, $2,400. Vocational rehab, $2,400. Ex-felons, $2,400. SSI recipient, $2,400. The summer youth employee don't get as much as $1,200, and then the long-term unemployed up to $2,400. These do not stack up in the other targeted groups. So if they're long-term unemployed and ex-felon, you don't get to double dip on that. You get one or the other for that person. The good news, though, is sometimes even if they've been employed prior to coming to you, you can get the credit. Okay, so if they've been employed for someone and they didn't stay there that long, and then you hire them from that, but they were unemployed, there's still a possibility you could get those benefits. So that's another huge big deal. What we're going to do, again, we're going to try to do a little bit each day to kind of give you chunks. but we're going to talk about going forward the what each one of these means, how they would qualify, and that type of thing. And then we'll also get into what you can do. There's some automated options for getting these credits. There's also some stuff that you can just do, go on our website, that type of thing, and be able to apply for these. It's not difficult if you pre-screen your employees. So if you pre-screen them with asking the questions that would know this, then you'll know which ones you need to apply for, and the paperwork is not that much, especially when you're getting $2,400, $5,600, $9,600. There's a lot of money that you don't want to leave on the table when you're hiring folks. So that's it for today. Send me a text, send us 423-292-4142, call our office, shoot us a Facebook message, or whatever message you want to, and we'll get back with you. We got a lot of resources. I do want to mention there's going to be the local folks here, the Tennessee, what you call it? Got the book yesterday. The Job Center over on Wesley Street in Johnson City. There's again one in Kingsport. They're having a job fair. So if you're an employer and are interested in how you can use the American Job Center here in Johnson City, Kingsport, whatever, to help you find employers, let me know. They really want to help you get signed up. They can help you, and then you can be a part of those job fairs. A lot of these job fairs that they're doing are little to no cost. They're not charging $500-$600 for a booth. It's either like $50 or free, because they're trying to get people employed. So if you have questions about that, let me know. I'll post some information about that on Facebook, and we'll go from there. So guys, let me see if I can change this over. Nope, I didn't change it over. This is a new toy I've got, so let's see if I can, there we go. See if I can make it, good. So if there's anything else you need to let us know, stay in touch. We'll get, we're just going to drip out this information in small bite-sized pieces, so that way you can eat this elephant. But it is going to take a while to eat the elephant, but if you want to go faster, contact us. We'll get you the information you need to help you be able to take advantage of these tax credits. And the big one right now that I'm talking to everybody about is the long-term unemployed. With the COVID relief packages that have been out, there's a lot of folks that are going to be those long-term unemployed, and as you as an employer can capitalize on that and take advantage of that $2,400 tax credit for each of those people that you hire. The benefits are not going to be going out this Friday. They've gone out. They went out last Friday. That's the last check for the COVID relief. You're going to see a lot of influx of people needing jobs, and this is an opportunity to help those folks that need the jobs, but also be able to take advantage of the WOTC credit to help offset that. And again, it doesn't matter. They don't. Once they work 120 hours, 3 weeks, you start to get some credit. Once they've worked 10 weeks, you get the full credit. Well, you get full the 40%, at least that, of what you paid them. And then if they leave after that, I mean, at least you're still getting the credits, and you can hire more folks and again get those WOTC credits coming in. Thanks again. Call us if you need any help with business insurance, home auto, life insurance. We're happy to help. But definitely call us if you need help with the WOTC credits. We'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.